Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a secret message, means a hidden message. So let's get into the video. For the materials we need are bowl of water, lemon juice and a size paper and a earbud. So let's get started. So now let's take the earbud and dip in the lemon juice so that we can write on the paper. Now let it dry. After drying, we'll see it. Now after drying, it's looking like a plain paper. Yeah? So let's see the magic now. Take the bowl of water now and take the paper carefully and dip it in, and you can see, welcome to this channel, and there are some lines and YouTube. Yeah, this secret message works and this is very friendly and you can try it at home anywhere in 1 minute. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Please click the bell icon for getting more updates. So see you in next video. Bye.